Are you ready to make your trunk or treat the spookiest one on the block? If you're looking for some spine-chilling ideas to transform your car into a haunted masterpiece, then stick around. From DIY setups to jaw-dropping themes, we've got everything you need to make your trunk or treat stand out this Halloween. What are some simple yet creative trunk or treat themes I can start with? For those looking for inspiration, here are 3 easy-to-execute yet highly impactful trunk or treat themes. Spooky Graveyard. Use cardboard cutouts of tombstones, cobwebs, and a skeleton or two to give your trunk a creepy cemetery feel. Mad Scientist Lab. All you need is some colorful jars, beakers, and LED lights to create a mysterious, experimental vibe. Witch's Lair. Hang cauldrons, broomsticks, and add some fog machines to make it look like witches are brewing up a spooky potion. Want more frightful fun? Hit that like button and share these ideas with a friend who's ready to get spooky. What are the best props and decorations for a scary trunk or treat setup? To really elevate the eerie factor, here are some must-have props. Fog machine. Nothing sets the mood like a creeping fog spilling out of your trunk. LED lights and lanterns. Choose orange, green, or purple lighting to give your setup that spooky glow after dark. Creepy animatronics. From haunted dolls to werewolves, adding a moving prop will surely give your setup that extra scare. Want to see more trunk decor ideas like this? Add this video to your Halloween playlist and check the description for more spooky tutorials. How can I add interactive elements to my trunk or treat setup? Interactive elements bring your trunk or treat to life and make it more memorable for kids. Skeleton Dance-Off. Set up a motion-activated skeleton that starts dancing when trick-or-treaters approach. Potion Station. Create a make-your-own potion bar where kids can mix water, glitter, and food coloring to create colorful potions. Monster Mouth Toss. Paint a large monster face on cardboard and have kids toss beanbags into its mouth for candy prizes. Leave a comment below with your favorite interactive idea or share your own. How can I DIY my trunk or treat decorations without breaking the bank? You don't need to spend a fortune to create an amazing setup. Here are 3 budget-friendly DIY ideas. Trash bag cobwebs. Cut large black trash bags into spiderweb shapes to hang around your trunk for an eerie effect. Pool noodle tentacles. Bend and paint pool noodles to create sea monster tentacles for an under-the-sea Halloween theme. Papier-mâché ghosts. Inflate balloons, cover them with white fabric and starch, and you've got yourself floating ghost decorations. Don't forget to subscribe for more DIY tutorials just like these. What are some family-friendly trunk-or-treat themes that work for all ages? Looking to keep it fun, but not too frightening? Here are some charming themes that are perfect for all ages. Candyland. Decorate your trunk with oversized candy props and use bright pastel colors for a sweet treat theme. Circus Carnival. Think clowns, cotton candy, and a big top tent to transform your car into a fun carnival. Superheroes. Dress up your trunk as the Batcave or a Marvel hero headquarters, complete with action figures and comic props. Love these ideas? Hit subscribe to catch more family-friendly Halloween fun. How can I incorporate lighting effects to make my trunk-or-treat display more impressive at night? Lighting can take your display from average to amazing. Here's how to use it effectively. Black lights. Highlight neon or white elements in your decorations to create an eerie glow. Strobe lights. Use strobe lights sparingly to give a flickering, haunted house vibe. Projectors. Project flying bats, ghosts, or spooky eyes onto nearby surfaces for a mesmerizing effect. Want to snag the exact lighting gear I use? Check the description for product links and make your trunk-or-treat light up the night. How can I make my trunk-or-treat decoration stand out from the crowd? To make your trunk-or-treat decoration truly unique, consider these tips. Add interactive elements. Include activities like mini-games, face painting, or small crafts for kids to enjoy. Choose a theme that resonates with kids. Think about popular movies, TV shows, or video games that kids love. Use lights and sound effects. Create a more immersive experience with Halloween-themed lights and spooky sounds. Pay attention to the details. Add small touches like cobwebs, fake leaves, or themed candy to enhance the overall look. Encourage participation. Encourage kids to dress up in their favorite costumes and take photos with your decoration. Want more Halloween decoration ideas? Subscribe to our channel for weekly tips and tutorials. And there you have it. From spooky to spectacular, these ideas will turn your trunk-or-treat setup into the highlight of Halloween night. No matter your theme, props, or lighting, remember to have fun and let your creativity shine. So are you ready to create the ultimate trunk-or-treat? Start planning, grab your materials, and let's make this Halloween one to remember. Make sure to check out more of our Halloween videos in the description below, and grab everything you need to create your dream trunk or treat.